Hello everyone, I Sarika Chaudhary. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I will explain how you can make MCQ question through Google Form. Let's start. First, download Google Form through the Google. So let's see how I am create the MCQ question. So first go on Google. Okay. Now type Google Form. Okay, Google Form. Here you can see three options are coming. Google Form, create custom. No, I will not click here. Then Google Forms free online survey. No, I will not again use it. I will use Google Form sign in. So click here. Yes. Now there are three dots. You can see three dots here, and in upper parts also three dots. So we will click three dots which is here. Now we will go to the setting. Now there are three options: general, presentation and quiz. We will click quiz. Now make this quiz, then release grade immediately after each submission. So if you press it, then the students can see the scores. Then responded can see. We click here again, correct answer and point values. After that you will save it. Okay, now you will get this type. Then untitled form, you can type whatever you want. Suppose I am typing here physics test. So यहाँ पे suppose you want to make a physics or chemistry whatever. Suppose I am typing here physics test. Okay, now come here. Here first you have to put the name so that students can write their names. And here you are getting short answer, so click here and you are getting lots of options. You click short answer. Okay, because here students have to type, that's why you will choose short answer. Okay, now you required. Okay, then you will click on the plus sign. Here you are seeing you can see lots of option, plus sign, arrow, this. So you will click on plus sign. Okay, now you can come to the next. Here you will write class and section. Class and section. Okay, now again you will choose short answer because students have to type here. Now again required. Okay, again go to the plus sign, then question. Now suppose all information whatever you want is completed, then you will come to the question and you will type 1 and whatever you want to give the question. Suppose you are writing, you want to do the question, what is the unit of force? Of force. Okay, and this is MCQ question, so you will click here, select MCQ, then option 1 A, अभी हमने डाला न्यूटन. Okay, now option B, we put anything, suppose Pascal. Now option C, and you put some other unit like coulomb. And B. Okay, so now what you will do, and you want to also put the answer. Okay, so now you will go on this sign. Just look here in down what is given. This is the tick mark sign is given, so you will click here only. Now choose what is your correct answer, and your correct answer is Newton, so you will click here. Then go to the point which is given in the right side. Here you will put a marks, that is 1 marks. Okay, then what you will do, then you will click on the done. Okay, now your first question is completed. Now you have to go on the second question. So again you will put on the click sign, and in this way you can create lots of question. Means first one. So what I have to do, again I repeat it, go to the question, then write the options, whatever the right options you click there, then in right side you put a point, 1 marks or 2 marks, then done. Again go to the required, again go to the plus sign, so you are able to create the next question. Suppose I had given the only one questions, this process is over. Then you will send this option. Okay, here just you can see it, so you will go this option here. Okay, now this. Okay, then look here in right side, copy, so you will copy. Okay, now you can copy, then go to the WhatsApp option. Okay, this is your WhatsApp, and where you want to see, you want to send, suppose I am sending here, come paste. Now there is a link, you can send, and again you can open it, check it, what is the given, whatever you will fill everything, submit, you can see everything whatever. Now your process is completed. Thank you.